Have you ever thought about those who claim to have spiritual powers? Who say that they can foresee the future or heal people? Now, the question is, if you can foresee the future, why don't you come forward when natural disasters or man-made crises happen? Why don't you use your so-called powers to save people, prevent tragedies, or at least warn people beforehand? When asked to demonstrate these powers, they come up with various excuses, such as, it's against my teachings or we cannot interfere with the natural cycle. They justify their inability by saying, if I show them, my powers will be lost, or my guru has forbidden me from displaying my powers publicly. Alright, fine. But then the question arises, what is the point of acquiring such powers through spiritual practices if they can never be used? Don't you agree with this? In psychology, this is called rationalization. Rationalization is a defense mechanism where a person presents their thoughts, feelings, or actions in a seemingly logical and socially acceptable way, even if the real reason is something else and difficult to admit. In this situation, the person makes excuses because they cannot prove their supernatural powers. There are two major types of rationalization: defensive rationalization, where a person rationalizes their behavior to protect their self-esteem, and aggressive rationalization, where they blame others to justify their actions. While rationalization may provide short-term benefits, like preserving self-esteem, it also has long-term negative effects, such as promoting false claims in the name of miracles and distorting the true essence of religion. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna teaches Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and Bhakti Yoga, inspiring Arjuna to focus on his duty and actions. Krishna's main objective was to guide the individual towards their responsibilities and the true knowledge of the soul, not to display miracles or foresee the future. True spiritual knowledge is never based on miracles or predictions but lies in self-knowledge, action, and adherence to dharma. Do not get caught up in talks of miracles and magic. Stay aware, and remember, truth never needs an excuse. Thank you for joining.